How to remove someone from an Instagram group. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now here, search for Instagram app and look for any updates that may be available for the app. If you see an update option, then click on it to update your app. If not, then go back to your home page. From your home page, open Instagram app on your device. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Now on Instagram, you will land to the home page. Tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner to go to your chats. Go to the group where you would like to remove the member. On the top left corner, click on your group's name. Then you will land to this page. To see all your members, click on the people option. Now you will see all the members on the group. If you want to remove any of the member, click on the three dot icon next to their account. Now from the bottom panel, select the option Remove from Group. And just like that, they will be removed from the group. While you remove the other person will get a notification that you have removed them. That's all for today. Thank you.